Edge with Keller Realty, and I'm here today with Tiffany Christian. She is a loan officer with Fulton Mortgage Company, and I wanted to talk a little bit about how she can help you get started on the home buying process and some of the programs that she offers. So Tiffany, how can someone get started?
Absolutely. As Renee mentioned, my name is Tiffany Christian. I'm a mortgage loan officer with Fulton Mortgage Company, and our mortgage process is fairly simple. One of the things that I like to do with all of my borrowers is to sit down and have a conversation, whether it be via phone or in person as well. I like to have a conversation about your pain points. Tell me a little bit about your pain points. Tell me a little bit about your monthly budget for your new home, and then we will work through a wonderful program for yourself.
Great, yeah, and I know that working with you in the past, we helped a first-time home buyer together, and they're very happy. But the process was pretty seamless working with you, and I appreciate that. As a real estate agent, I always reaching out to attorneys, reaching out to lenders, making sure that we're on track to meet that closing date. And I noticed when I worked with you, you were very proactive and would reach out and email me even before I had a chance to ask. You would let me know where we were in the process, what has happened, what's about to happen, and you reassured me that we were on track to meet closing time. So I know the buyers were really happy with that experience, and it was great working with you as well.
It was a pleasure.
Yep. So you may notice that there is a stethoscope hanging here, and why do we have that here?
Yeah, so let's talk about our medical professionals program. It's a great program that Fulton Mortgage Company does offer, and for the busiest doctor to the newest doctor, it is a great program that if with as little as 0% down, you can get yourself into your new primary residence. And there's no mortgage insurance as well, so that's another great caveat to have with that mortgage program. And it's available to medical doctors, veterinarians. If you're a pharmacist with a Pharm D classification, you can also take advantage of that program as well. So let's talk a little bit more about it when you reach out to me.
Great. Yeah, and that program really did strike with me a little bit because I also am a registered nurse, and I know how busy schedules can be. So if you have someone working shift work, are you available for them to help them get through their loan process?
That's a great question. One of the things as a mortgage loan officer that I understand is I understand the needs of the borrower, and the needs could be fairly quick, come up in the day where you need to get pre-qualified as soon as possible. And one of the things I do like to market myself as being available, and that is something that I strive to be available. Whether if it's a late scheduled appointment that we need to make in a day, that works for me. Whether it's early in the morning, that works for me as well. So feel free to contact me at any time. I'm also available via text, so if you're on the go, if you're at work or something and you have to ask a dire question or anything like that that comes across your mind, feel free to shoot me a text message and I'll reply back to you as soon as I can.
Great. I mean, so that tells me that we make a great team because I myself am available as well. So we don't typically work the 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. We are available weekends, evenings, whatever it takes to help see you through the home buying process.
Absolutely.
So how can people get in touch with you?
Yes, sure. So the best way to contact me is on my cell phone, and that number is 302-897-5293, or you can reach me via email as well, and that is tchristian@fultonmortgagecompany.com, and I'd love to help.
Great. And my number is 302-535-5599. Again, Renee Edge with Keller Realty, and that is my direct cell. And we would love for you guys to call us today.
Absolutely.
So.